Well, I wanted to get educated as a coach, so I was looking for the best option, and I started to ask some players that I play with that they started the courses in England, in Spain, in France, in Wales, and they talk about Ocean and the West Federation and how professional and how well prepared they felt after doing the courses with them. So I had a chat with Osh, and it was very good. He was very supportive. He was adaptive as well, which is important because while you're playing your football career, it's harder to find the times and commit to the hours, and the challenge is there, you know. So Ocean was very demanding of what he wanted me to do, but as well he was open, you know, to say, okay, we need to find the times, you need to do the work, it doesn't matter how, and but we will find it. And he's been coming to England, I've been coming here, and he's very, very supportive and good for me. The work they're doing through the academy and the results they're getting with the young players is not a coincidence at all. There is a lot of work they've done, a lot of good decisions, a lot of hard work, and you can tell that the staff and the direction of the football in Wales is in a very good place. I think they will do well. I hope they get out the group stages, and after, you know, you compete in a top European teams, but I watched them play against top teams, and they can cope with that, and they are very organized, and they have the individual talent that you need on those tournaments to make the difference when things are very tight. So I hope they do really well as well, because I feel like a connection with this federation for how good they've been with me, and I will be supporting them for sure.